Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how you can transfer a chat from one project to another in ChatGPT on PC or desktop. So often we might accidentally transfer a chat to a wrong project when we actually intended to move it to a different one. So in today's video, we will learn how to transfer a chat from one project to another. And to do so, open any browser you have and then go to chatgpt.com. Now here open the project where actually that chat exists that you want to share. Now here take your cursor to the chat you want to move to another project and instantly you will see a three dot right to that chat. Click on it and then take your cursor to move to project, and as soon as you take your cursor to move to project button, all the project you have created on ChatGPT will instantly start appearing. So choose the project where that chat actually belongs to, and that's it. You can see the chat will instantly move to the project you have selected. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.